Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.
Two coordinated landmine attacks carried out by resistance forces in Chongyu and Yinmabin townships on September 17 have reportedly killed at least 8 junta soldiers and left several others injured, according to a spokesperson from the People's Defense Force South Maniwa. The first attack occurred at approximately 11:19 a.m., when a military column of around 70 junta troops on foot was ambushed near a stone quarry between Nat Yekan and Yeposar. The troops had reportedly departed from the Nat Yekan military checkpoint shortly before the incident. Resistance fighters deployed 2 linked Padetha landmines in the ambush, resulting in the deaths of 5 soldiers and injuring others. Just minutes later, at around 11:22 a.m., a second military column consisting of approximately 20 junta troops from the Gui Pinta checkpoint in Yinmabin Township was also targeted near the same quarry. In this strike, 3 linked Padetha mines were used, killing 3 soldiers and injuring several more. Both attacks occurred in a strategically significant area and were part of ongoing operations by local resistance forces to disrupt junta movements in the region. Further details on the condition of the injured have not yet been released, and the military has not issued an official statement regarding the incidents.
Welcome.